Hey guys, it is Star here, and today I am doing a rare giveaway. Yeah. So, what you have to do for this giveaway is you have to be subscribed, you have to like this video, and down in the comment section, put your username, your status, so if you're like a member or a non-member, item that you want, and why. So those are the rules, and yeah. So this is what's on my rare giveaway: one blanket, rare unicorn horn, rare sunglasses because I can, spirit helmet, rare army helmet, a rare glove, rare Jamaliday top hat, rare scary bat wings, rare scary cat hat, rare leg armor, rare freedom bands, and a rare fox hat. Those are all the items I will be putting up. You can only choose, you can choose two. Choose two and put down like your reason for why you want them Manish. This will end. I will just put it's closed when it ends, but it probably won't end for a while. So yeah, you'll, because I'm not very popular on YouTube, you'll probably have a good chance of winning, like if you enter it. So please enter, and I hope you liked this. And I am very sorry if I did not upload a video on Monday, but the rare item was rare sunglasses. That's why I put one up there. But yeah, anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure to like, comment, and if you want to subscribe, and I will be seeing you later. Let's do the dance, and bye.